In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Claude AI in Slack. By the end, you'll have Claude ready to use in your workspace, and I'll point out a few tips to keep things smooth along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in to the workspace where you want to install Claude, and make sure you're in the correct workspace before proceeding. Once Slack is open, look to the left sidebar and find Apps. Click it to open the Apps view. In the Apps panel, locate the three dots menu. This is the More Options menu, and click it. From there, choose Manage. This takes you to the area where you can control and explore apps for your workspace. Next, select Browse Apps. This opens the Slack app directory. At the top, use the search bar and type Claude. You should see Claude AI appear in the results. Click into it, and then select Install. This begins the installation flow. On the app page, click Add to Slack. Depending on your setup, you may either see the Add to Slack button in the Slack directory, or you might be redirected to Claude's official page where you'll click Add to Slack again to continue. Both routes are normal and lead you to the authorization screen. Slack will now display the permissions Claude needs to work in your workspace. Take a moment to review them so you understand what access you're granting. If everything looks good, click Allow to complete the installation. If your workspace requires admin approval, you might see an option to request installation instead. In that case, submit the request and an admin can approve it for you. After you allow access, Slack will confirm the installation. You should now see Claude listed under Apps in the sidebar. That's your indication the setup is complete. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh Slack in your browser and check again. A quick tip: verify you installed Claude in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Also, if you're testing Claude in a specific channel, remember you can invite the app into that channel so everyone can collaborate with it there. That's it. Claude AI is now added to Slack and ready to help your team work faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!